Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T PowerVision. In this video I'll explain about the multi-layer donut chart here and explain how it is formed here. Here in this picture we can see two visuals, that is the pie chart and donut chart. So here my question is, what is the visible difference between the two visual here? It's very common thing, everybody can say. In the donut chart there is a hole in the center. Apart from that, nobody can say that there logical difference and all. But this is not the correct answer here. So I'll explain about it how it is. So for that, go to click on get more visuals. Get more visuals. Now in the search, see the sunburst. Search for the sunburst. So click here. Click on the add. Now this visual have been imported here. Now click on this sunburst icon here. Cancel here. Yes, now it is sunburst here. Just enlarge it. Now here we can see cells is divided into the region here. Now we'll divide region into the state. We can see here each region like central, south, west, and is divided into the different states here. After that we can further divide the state into the city. So we can see here further each state is divided into the city. So here this visual donut chart support the multi-level while the pie chart don't support this one. So that's why So that's the logical difference between the pie chart and donut chart. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel S&T Power Vision.